Hello! In this video about PIXMA TR4600 series, I will show you what is in the box, the product dimensions and about the waste after unboxing this printer. In the upper right corner of the screen you can find the product overview about this model. Let me share some regional models information. In different countries, these models may be called different names and use different consumables. In this video I unbox the European version of this model. Here is what is in the box after the unboxing. Let's see about the dimensions, about the box, and dimensions about the product. Official specs you find on the screen. And here you can find now the dimensions of the printer with the media in the document feeder and paper in the output tray. So the real situation when using this model. In the next 2 minutes you can find the full unboxing of this printer. New in the box is quick setup guide, and you can find my full setup on this model in the upper right corner of the screen in the part 3 video on this model. In the ink and media leaflet you can find information about the media compatibility with the printer. More about creative media you can find in the upper right corner of the screen, where I demonstrate how to use restickable, magnetic and iron-on transfers. The ink and media leaflet contains information about the apps as well, and more on connectivity you find in the video part 5 on this model. And that's all what I found in the box. Before finishing, let's unpack items for setup. I will use the setup guide in the next video. To get ready for the setup, you need to unpack all items and remove the orange tapes from the printer. And finally, let's see how much waste was generated by unboxing this printer. Plastic was replaced by paper, so now in this model there is 65% less waste than in the previous model. And that would be all in this video. I recommend checking the Get the Most Out of Your Printer in the web manuals, and you can find more videos on PIXMA TR series in the playlist on my YouTube channel. Feel free to comment, ask questions, and do not forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you will be notified about my future uploads about the printers. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.